Hello. Let's understand the significance of final keyword in C++. So I have a class over here which is considered to be the base class and which has a function over here which I've marked as virtual, and then there is a derived class which is inheriting the base class. So till now, if you have noticed, there is no error in this particular code, but I'll do a slight modification. I'll mark the base class as final. So the moment I do this, you notice that there is an error now in terms of this inheritance. So if I hover over it, it says a final class type cannot be used as a base class. So this is the significance of final keyword, that if you have a base class which you do not want others to be able to inherit it, you can mark such a class as a final, and a class that is marked as final cannot be inherited by any other class. So this is one of the use cases wherein we can use the final keyword in C++. Another use case could be that assume you have the same base class over here, and I am inheriting that particular base class in towards my derived class. And now in the derived class, what I'll do is there is a virtual function in the base class, and I will override that a particular virtual function in the derived class. Now, just to make sure that I am overriding this particular function, I'll use the override keyword as well. And now I'll go ahead and, okay, maybe we can have a main function over here. And I will go ahead and compile this code. So if you notice, there is no error in terms of the compilation. So this is totally fine. But I will do a slight modification again, that I will mark this virtual function as final. Now, the moment I mark this virtual function as final, you notice that there is an error over here which says you cannot override a final function. So this is another use case where we can use the final keyword. That is, if you have a virtual function which you do not want others to override it in the derived class, you can mark such functions as final, and it will not be possible for that function to be overridden in the derived class. So these are the two use cases where we can use the final keyword in C++. I hope this helps. Share your thought in the comment section.